Hamjambo wanafunzi bora, karibu sana kwa kipindi cha leo. Jina langu ni Milly. Na leo we are going to learn about most useful and common Swahili phrases. Yes, the commonest phrases that you can't miss when you visit a Swahili speaking nation. For example, in Kenya, you can't miss these ones. But before we get to this, if you are new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button because we reached 100,000 subscribers. Oh no, we reached 1,000 subscribers and we are on the road to 2,000 subscribers. Yeah, let's keep going. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe. And if you have been here before and you already subscribed, you are amazing. Amazing. And you give me the zeal to continue doing this because I love you all. Now, let's get back to class. Our very first phrase that you cannot miss when you come to a Swahili speaking nation is how are you? So how are you in Swahili? We say uko vipi. Uko vipi. Uko vipi. How are you? And then we have unaitwa nani. Unaitwa nani. Naitwa Milly. Unaitwa nani? What is your name? Then we have unanikumbuka. Unanikumbuka. Do you remember me? Unanikumbuka. You just met your friend, maybe you met somewhere else and you're not sure if they're remembering you, so you'll ask, unanikumbuka? You remember me? Yeah. And then we have unaishi wapi? Where do you live? Unaishi wapi? Unaishi wapi? Je, unapapenda? Unapapenda. Do you like the place? Unapapenda. Unapapenda. Do you like the place? Then we have unahisi vipi? You want to know how they are feeling. So you'll ask, unahisi vipi? How are you feeling? Unahisi vipi? Another one is, ninaweza kukusaidia. Can I help you? Maybe you want to give some help, but you're not sure if the respondent will take it positively. So what you want to do is to first inquire. Naweza kukusaidia. Can I help you? Naweza kukusaidia. And if you are the one asking for the help, you can say, unaweza kunisaidia. Je, unaweza kunisaidia? Unaweza kunisaidia? Yes. So, let's first clear our board and then we continue. So, how are you? Uko vipi? Unaitwa nani? What is your name? Naitwa Milly. I am called Milly. Je, wewe unaitwa nani? What is your name? Tell us in the comment section. Where do you live? Unaishi wapi? Unaishi wapi? Do you like the place? Unapapenda. Unapapenda. Do you like the place? How do you feel? Unahisi vipi? Unahisi vipi? Can I help you? Ninaweza kukusaidia. Ninaweza kukusaidia. Can you help me? Unaweza kunisaidia. Humbly requesting for some help. Unaweza kunisaidia. Yeah. So let's clear and continue. Alright, maybe we can be writing as we continue. So the next word, someone can ask you, the next phrase that you won't miss when you come to a Swahili nation, after you have greeted each other, you have known each other's name, someone can ask you, unafanya kazi wapi? Where do you work? Unafanya kazi wapi? Unafanya kazi wapi? Where do you work? And then we have which work do you do? So in Swahili, we say, unafanya kazi gani? Unafanya kazi gani? Unafanya kazi gani? They can also ask you, do you understand Swahili? So they will say like this in Swahili, unaelewa Kiswahili? Unaelewa Kiswahili? Unaelewa Kiswahili? Do you understand Swahili? In Swahili we say, unaelewa? Unaelewa Kiswahili? Kiswahili. Unaelewa Kiswahili? Then someone can also ask you, je, umenielewa? Have you understood? Je, umenielewa? If not, you can leave the J out and you just say, umenielewa? Umenielewa? And then we have, naweza kupata namba yako ya simu? May I have your number? Naweza kupata namba yako? May I have your phone number? Phone number. May I have your phone number? Naweza kupata nambari yako ya simu? Naweza kupata nambari yako ya simu? Naweza kupata nambari yako ya simu? May I have your phone number? So if you are willing to give, you will say ndio. Ndio. If you don't want to give, you can say hapana, to mean no. Hapana, to mean no. Until this point, make sure that you have already subscribed so that we reach the 2,000 already. And you give me that zeal to continue coming and teaching. You know? So let's continue. I'm just joking. Oh, joking. Nilikuwa natania. I am joking. Let's write that. Yes. I am joking. I am joking. Joking. In Swahili we say natania. 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 I am joking. Ninatania. Ninatania. I am joking. Ninatania. But I'm not joking. Make sure you subscribe on this one. So the next phrase you might meet is, may I have your address? May I have your address? Your address. We say the same thing. Ninaomba, naweza kupata anwani yako? Naweza kupata anwani yako. Anwani. Anwani means address. Anwani. Yako is yours. Naweza kupata anwani yako? May I have your address? So if you're willing to give your address, you say yes. Ndio. You say ndio. You say ndio. And if you're not willing to give, you say hapana. So let's go through again. Unafanya kazi gani? Unafanya kazi wapi? Where do you work? Unafanya kazi wapi? Then you have unafanya kazi gani? Unafanya kazi gani? Which work do you do? And then, unaelewa Kiswahili? Unaelewa Kiswahili? Do you understand Swahili? Je, umenielewa? Umenielewa? Have you understood me? Have you understood? Je, umenielewa? Then we have, naweza kupata nambari yako ya simu. Naweza kupata nambari yako ya simu. May I have your phone number? And then, ninatania. I am joking. Ninatania. Then the last one here before we wrap it off, we have, naweza kupata anwani yako. May I have your address? Naweza kupata anwani yako. May I have your address? So anwani is address. Good. Guys, we need a bigger board. Let's get one of the students buying for us a bigger board so that we don't have to keep rubbing each and every time. Ninatania. I am joking. Keep going through all that we have read today. Keep practicing. Practicing is the only way you can be able to remember. Alright, so let's continue. Other phrase you can't miss maybe, or the one you might want to use when you're tired. Instead of saying I am tired, you can say in Swahili, nimechoka. Nimechoka. I am tired. Nimechoka. Nimechoka. Then we have, I need to rest. We say, ninahitaji kupumzika. Ninahitaji kupumzika. Ninahitaji kupumzika. As usual, we say, kama kawaida. Kama kawaida. Thank you so much. Asante sana. Asante sana. Have a good day. Kuwa na siku njema. Have a good day, we say, kuwa na siku njema. Kuwa na siku njema. To mean, have a good day. Now, up to this point, I also want to say, asante sana na mkuwe na siku njema. Nawapenda zaidi.